Tommy from Amps Coffee and Cookies, Cow Amplifications. We're here in Oakhurst right now. Let me get that. And just outside of Yosemite. And we just got here, so we're kind of just getting the lay of the land. I want to thank Patricio's, Shakas and Aloha's, and look at this. From A Block. From A Block, not A Block. Come on, Mark. Great coffee. And look at this. Oh. Yeah. This is their vegan, gluten-free chocolate chip cookie. Check them out if you're in Highland Park. They're on York. This is really good. Let me just start. It's Mr. Peebles. Yeah, he doesn't like nature that much, and he gets a lot of mosquito bites, so he's staying inside. All right, talk to you soon. Aloha.